Comfort has become the default setting. Wake up, scroll, eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. We live in a time where distraction is unlimited, discipline is optional, and excuses are rewarded with sympathy. And slowly, without noticing, people decay. 10 years from now, most will be weaker, more anxious, more distracted, not because they had no opportunity, but because they chose comfort over growth. But you don't have to. 1. How comfort destroys potential. You were not designed for constant ease. Your mind was built to solve problems. Your body was built to struggle and adapt. But modern life removes friction. Food without effort. Entertainment without limits. Validation without achievement. When everything is easy, you become fragile. Comfort doesn't relax you, it softens you. And a soft life creates a weak identity. 2. The silent death of ambition. Dreams rarely explode. They fade. One skipped workout, one postponed goal, one "I'll start tomorrow," and tomorrow becomes a lifestyle. Decay is quiet, until one day you look at your life and realize you never became who you said you would. Regret is heavy, heavier than discipline ever was. 3. How to escape. First, weaponize your environment. Your surroundings shape your standards. Remove triggers of laziness. Add reminders of who you're becoming. Second, schedule discomfort daily. Train hard. Sit in silence. Do the task you're avoiding. Discomfort builds resilience. Third, raise your circle. Stay around people who demand growth. Weak environments create weak men. Strong circles create momentum. Most people will stay comfortable. You don't have to. Comfort is a cage. Discomfort is a tool. Choose wisely. Comment, "I choose growth," if you're done living on autopilot.